Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. So, children, yesterday we have read the lesson The World of Plants, lesson number 18, page number 79. So, we know that plants are very important for us. Yes?
Yes,
Plants gives us oxygen. Oxygen makes the air fresh. Oxygen makes the air fresh. Then plants gives us flowers. They gives us fruits. They gives us vegetables, and they make the atmosphere green and clean. Green and clean. And plants and trees are also a house of small animals and birds. Birds make nest in the trees and plants. Yes, and they live in the trees. They make nest and live in the trees. Okay, small animals make their houses in the plants and trees. Then we have learned parts of a plant. So the part of a plant under the ground, under the soil is a root, and it is under the soil in the mud. Okay, there is mud everywhere, and the root is inside the soil. Then above the ground, there is a stem. This is the stem. Yes, a stem. This is the stem. Then on the stem there are leaves. These are the leaves. There are leaves on the stem. Then the plant grows and there are branches. There are branches on the plant or a tree. Then the plant grows, there are a lot of branches. Then you can see a bud. There is a bud. If there is a guava tree, you will see a small bud. Then from that bud, you will see a flower growing on from that bud. Flower growing. Then after some time, the petals fall down, and this part at the back of the flower starts growing into a fruit. Suppose this is the guava. So the guava is small, then it grows big, big and big. When it is raw, it is dark in color. When it grows bigger and bigger, it becomes light green. And when it is more ripe, it becomes yellow. Yes? After light green, it becomes yellow. Before getting yellow, we should take that fruit and eat it up. Dark yellow is not good. It starts rotting. वो खराब होना शुरू हो जाता है, मतलब वो dark yellow हो जाता है. So this is the parts of a plant. Okay, we have read in the lesson yesterday. Okay, now we will do types of trees on the next page, page number 80. Types of plants. Look in your books. So types of plants are. First part is trees. First part is trees. We have read that trees are very big and strong. Yes, children. So types of plants are very big and strong plants are called trees. Trees are very big and strong plants. For example, guava, mango, neem, banyan tree. They are very big and strong. Then comes shrubs. Shrubs and bushes are smaller than trees. Smaller than trees. For example, sunflower, hibiscus, rose. They are shrubs or bushes. Okay, they are smaller than trees. They are little bit strong. They are strong. They can stand by themselves. अपने आप खड़े हो सकते हैं trees and shrubs and bushes. But herbs, smaller than shrubs and bushes are herbs like mint, pudina, coriander, dhania. Then grass. These are herbs. Herbs, they are weak. They are small. Yes, and they have weak stem. They have soft stem, delicate stem. They are called herbs. Smaller than shrubs and bushes are herbs. Then after herbs, there are climbers. Climbers need support to climb up. The stem of the climbers are very weak and delicate, very soft. So they need a support. They need a stick to climb up. They climb up with the help of a support. For example, money plant, grapevine, pea plant. Pea plant means peas. मटर plant, pea plant, money plant आपके घर में होगा सबके ना. So they need support. They are called climbers. Then creepers. Creepers are also like climbers. They need support. The stem of the climbers and creepers are very soft, very delicate. They need support to climb up. And the example of creepers is pumpkin, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant, muskmelon plant. Yes, they are grown in the fields, in the farms, but they need support to grow because the stem of these plants are very weak and delicate. Okay, so all these plants need food to grow, like we need food to grow big and strong. In the same way, the plants also need food. The food of plants is water. We also drink water to grow, to quench our thirst. In the same way, water is needed by plants. We water plants to make them healthy. We give them soil. Soil में तो लगता ही है. उसके बाद एडिशनल आपको मैन्योर देना पड़ता है. मैन्योर से क्या होता है? प्लांट्स हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं एंड दे ग्रो बिग. ओके, सो दीज आर द फूड फॉर प्लांट्स. ओके, एंड दे नीड एयर. प्लांट्स ऑल्सो नीड एयर. दे नीड एयर. जैसे हमें एयर चाहिए टू ब्रीथ, ऐसे प्लांट्स को एयर चाहिए. वी ब्रीथ इन when we breathe in, oxygen is needed. हम ऑक्सीजन रखते हैं अपने अंदर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड we breathe out. But the plants, they breathe. When they breathe, they give out oxygen. Oxygen हमें मिल जाती है उनसे. इसीलिए trees and plants are very important because they give us oxygen. We have learnt about that plants gives us oxygen. Trees gives us oxygen and they make the air fresh. Oxygen makes the air fresh. So trees gives out oxygen, which is very important for us and for animals and birds also. It makes the earth clean and green. So we should plant trees and plants in our houses also and around our houses also. Okay? Oxygen given by the trees are free. Okay? If you plant a tree, you will get oxygen for a long time, for many years. If you don't plant a tree, oxygen will. Okay children, in our next class we will do the uses of plants. There are uses of plants also. So जब तक आप ये read करेंगे on page number 79, 80 and 81 you will read the lesson. Okay, we will do the uses of plants in our next class. Okay, then we will do the exercises. Okay children, read the lesson. Okay, have a nice day. Okay children, we have started our lesson number 18, parts, the world of plants. We have read about the parts of a plant. Now today we have done types of plants also. Now we will read in the lesson, in the book, sorry. We will read the lesson in the book. Types of plants. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree are very big and strong plants. You know, they are called trees. Okay, they are very big and strong. Some plants are smaller than trees. They have hard stems and are strong. They are called shrubs and bushes. So some plants are smaller than trees. Their stems, this is a stem. Yes, bark. Thick stems are known as bark. B-A-R-K, bark. And bushes and shrubs have strong stems and they are called shrubs and bushes. They have strong stems but they are smaller than trees. They are called shrubs and bushes. For example, sunflower, hibiscus and rose. They are shrubs and bushes. Some plants are known as herbs. Some plants are small but weak. Weak means delicate. They are called herbs. They have a soft green stem. So they are called herbs, like for example mint and grass, then coriander, and there are many small plants. They are called herbs. That are smaller than shrubs and bushes. Okay. Then some plants are weak and cannot stand straight on their own. They need support to grow. Such plants are, they climb up taking the support of walls, other plants or sticks. They are called climbers. So climbers are very weak plants. They need support to grow. Okay. Then there are, for example, pea plant, grapevine, money plant, and there are many climbers which we see around us. They need support to grow up. Okay, they can't stand on their own because the stem is weak and delicate. So they need support to grow. They are called climbers. Okay. Now page number 81. Some plants grow along the ground. They are called creepers. They creep on the ground. They are called creepers. Sometimes they are given the support also so that the fruits does not spoil. So they are creepers. They creep on the ground and grow. Okay. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay. So why can't creepers climb on the wall or on a stick? Because the fruits are very big. Okay, this is a fact. The fruits are very big that's why they cannot climb on the wall or on a stick. Stick is delicate, small, and wall is straight, so they can't climb up because there are big fruits on those creepers. Now food for plants. Plants need food to grow. They make their own food with the help of air, water, soil and sunlight. They need food to grow, and the food is prepared in the leaves. Leaves is known as the kitchen of the leaves, and they need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Okay, so let's see how a seed grows into a new plant. Suppose we have put the seed into the soil. After some time there is a sprout from the seed. Then we have to water this, and after a small sprout there are stem and leaves you can see, and the root starts growing below the soil. Then the plant grows big. There are a lot of trees, roots. Then it grows into a big plant. Then it gets branches, as I have told you, flowers, fruits and so on. Okay. Now trees make the air fresh and clean, all of us know, and we should plant more and more trees in our house also and in our neighborhood also. Okay children. Now children, next page number 82, uses of plants. Plants gives us many useful things. As you all know, we get tea, fruit, coffee also, cotton, flowers, shade, coffee, vegetables, wood, home. Okay, so these things are used by man to consume, and they use these things to make other things also. For example, we drink tea. Okay, then fruits are eaten, then cotton is used to make clothes, flowers are used to give someone or to make scents or perfumes. Okay, shade is used by a human being or animals to lie down in the shade. Coffee is a drink. Vegetables are cooked by human beings, or they are sometimes eaten raw also, like carrots and radish. They are eaten raw, and there are many vegetables that are eaten raw and some are cooked. Then wood is used to make furniture. Okay, then they are the home of small animals and birds. Okay, so these are the uses of plants and trees. Okay children, do this much, then we will meet in the next class with the exercises. We will do the exercises. Okay children, have a nice day. Read and learn the lesson.